Back in the days when I worked at CBS News in New York, on a slow news day, I'd be assigned to create obits for famous people who were still alive. I did the Pope, Lindsay Lohan, Lauren Bacall. Most of those celebs are still alive today, but the idea behind the projects was this. If they suddenly died, we'd have a full retrospective on their lives, ready to roll on air within a few minutes of the news breaking. What do obits of living legends have to do with you? There are things you know are coming, specifically market corrections. Do you have a marketing plan in place? At Idea Decanter, we call it your emergency kit. In it is a message for clients that has already been through compliance. It's recorded and ready to go when the time is right. Advisors we work with have unique messages, but the meaning is the same. Stay calm. We've been here before.
I hear from a lot of people who, the moment the market dips, want to immediately sell their stocks.
Don't fall into the trap of thinking you have to make a change when things aren't going your way in the short term.
It can feel scary, but it's important at times like this to go back to our original conversations and remember what it is that we're trying to accomplish.
Start working on it now and keep it tucked in your virtual back pocket. It's been said that the single greatest predictor of client retention in a bear market is the amount of client communication. So what would you put in your emergency kit? You're a planner. This is a great opportunity to put your plan in place. And if you need help, visit ideadecanter.com.